let me show you how to properly install the bobbin and also how to remove the bobbin from your mini sewing machine. So first, if you want to remove the bobbin and change for another one, so you can simply take your finger. So yeah, obviously remove the guard first and insert your finger here inside. You see, you can fish it out. Okay. And to insert the bobbin, first make sure to take your bobbin and position it in this direction. So this thread actually goes to the left side like this, and essentially it's making letter P like this. Then we can simply drop it inside in this bobbin compartment here. So again, make sure basically the bobbin is like this, again dropping down basically the frame of the sewing machine and making this letter P here. So again, make sure you have maybe like 15 centimeters loose thread like this. And next, let's thread the bobbin. So make sure it's hanging like this. Also make sure to actually put up your presser foot so it's actually up. Then what we are going to do is we are simply going to take the top thread. By the way, also if you want to learn how to thread the top part of the machine, you can also check my other videos. So you see, I'm taking 2 fingers and holding this with tiny bit of pressure essentially, so it doesn't slip out on us. So again, make sure to hold it, otherwise it won't work. Then with other hand, I'm going to actually turn this turn wheel basically counterclockwise, so my direction essentially. So you see, I'm holding this with 2 fingers and simply turning this. Okay, simply do this. And you see this like top thread is essentially now picking up this bottom bobbin thread and actually looping itself. So you see it managed basically to loop it on the top. Next, what we can do is we can simply take simple scissors and simply do like this. So you see, I can pull out both threads basically on this side, and we have successfully installed our bobbin now. So let's repeat it up close. So you see, first make sure to put up your foot, take your bobbin, make sure the thread actually goes like this to this side, simply drop it inside and make sure it makes the letter P over here. Next, as you see, again I'm holding this, again with my other hand I'm simply going to turn my wheel counterclockwise. So you see, I'm holding this and putting a bit of pressure here. As you see how this like blue thread came actually all the way around, and it's now picking up this white thread. Also you can see, you can also like help with this hand a bit to also like get it a bit up. Okay, so you see it finally popped out. Then again, let's take our scissors and simply, you see what I'm doing here, and simply pull, fish out basically both of the threads here. And I suggest you to leave them on either the left side or also on the bottom. Do not actually leave them here or here. So again, when you are sewing, okay, so again on the left side or on the bottom. So then you can replace your bobbin cover, put down your foot, and you are good to go. Okay, good luck.